Welcome to Python series. In this video we'll discuss about the list in Python. List is a versatile, ordered, and mutable sequence that can hold a collection of elements. Lists can contain elements of different data types, such as integers, strings, floats, or even other lists, nested lists. Lists are one of the most commonly used data structures in Python due to their flexibility. Key features of lists are: Number 1. List is ordered. The elements in a list have a specific order, and this order is preserved. The first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. The second feature is mutable. Lists are mutable, meaning we can modify their contents, example, add, remove, or change elements after their creation. List is heterogeneous. A list can contain elements of different types, like integers, strings, other lists. Next is dynamic size. Lists in Python are dynamic, meaning they can grow or shrink as needed. First, we'll see creation of list. We can create a list by enclosing a sequence of elements in square brackets, separated by commas. Here we created two lists. One is only integers and another one is mixed data. Now we'll see how to access list elements. We can access list elements by their index. Python uses zero-based indexing, so the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1. Here zeroth index value is 10 and the second is 30. We can also use negative indexing to access elements from the end of the list, like -1, -2. Now we'll see how to modify a list. Since lists are mutable, we can modify elements, append new ones, or remove elements. First, we'll see adding elements. Append adds an element to the end of the list. Next is insert. It inserts an element at a specified index. Next is extend. It adds multiple elements from another iterable, example, another list, to the end of the list. Now we'll see how to remove elements from list. Remove method removes the specified element from a list. Then pop. It removes an element by index, default is the last element. Then clear. It removes all elements from the list. Now we'll see list slicing. We can slice a list to get a subset of elements. Slicing uses the syntax list of start, end, step, where start means the index where the slice starts. It includes the starting value. End, the index where the slice ends. It will not include the last value. Step means increment size. It is optional. Now we'll see common list operations. First one is length. It returns the number of elements in the list. Next one is in. It checks if an element exists in the list. Here in this example, element is present in the list. Next is index. It returns the index of the first occurrence of an element. Next is count. It counts how many times an element appears in the list. Here output is 2. Last topic about the list is nested lists. A list can contain other lists as elements, creating nested lists. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.